Okay, for today's workout, we're gonna do an EMOM, which stands for every minute on the minute. So essentially you have 1 minute to complete each set. So for some, they're gonna be timed, like for the kneeling squat and the rotating jump squat. So you'll have the 40 seconds and then 20 seconds rest until you go into your next round. But for the ones that are based on repetitions, you're gonna complete those repetitions, and then however many seconds you have left before you hit the next minute is how long your rest time will be. So here we're going to go over the exercises. The first one is the kneeling squat up down. So you're gonna start on your knees, get into a kneeling squat and go back down. I always remember to lift the leg that went down last first, if that makes sense. So if I'm coming up with my right leg and then my left leg, then I put my right leg down and then my left leg, and then I bring my left leg up. I hope that makes sense. So yeah, you will do that for 40 seconds. The next is shoulder taps. We've done these a couple times. Try to not sway your hips as much as you can. I am swaying mine a little bit. Make sure you're bracing your core. And you're gonna do 30 reps of these, so 15 each side. You can also do them on your knees. If it's too challenging on your feet, that's a totally great option. This is slow-mo, but here's a rotating jump squat. So this counts as 1 rep, going to each side and then coming back to the middle. This one is timed, so you'll do it for 40 seconds. Make sure your weight's in your heels. All right, so here is a crab toe touch. So you're gonna get into your crab position, and then your right hand is going to touch your left toe. So you're switching off sides. You're going to do this one 15 per side. You can go a little bit faster than me. I just kept falling. And then we're gonna do some curtsy lunges, 12 per side, so 24 reps total. And then I'll show you a side view so you can see that I'm lunging kind of to the side. That's what makes it a curtsy lunge instead of just a backwards lunge. Keeping our weight in our heels. Next we have push-ups. So you're gonna do 15 reps of these. This is our last movement for the set. Here's some knee push-ups. These are a great option as well. And then here's some wall push-ups. So I at first did them with my hands, how you would regularly do a push-up, and then I moved to my knuckles because it hurt my wrists. So you have options. That's me kind of figuring that out. All right, so a tip for going through the EMOM and keeping track of time well is to get an interval timer. I recommended, this is what, it's called Interval Timer. It's that blue one, and I put a link to it in the first email I ever sent. So if you want to reference that, it's there. You can also pull one up on a web browser, like on your computer, which can be helpful for having it be more visible if you're like far away doing your workout. Another thing you can do is just open up your clock, and if you open up this stopwatch and then you press start, you can watch it count down. So if you're doing like the 40-second countdown, because some of them are based on repetitions and some are based on time. So if you're doing the 40-second one, you can kind of watch it, and then once it hits 40 seconds, you know that it's time to rest. And then for the ones that are repetition based, you can finish your reps, and then you'll look at the timer and you'll see, okay, I have 35 seconds left. And then you can kind of watch it until it reaches the next minute. So every minute on the minute stands for every minute on the minute. So minute 1 to 2, I have that much time to complete the exercise. It's at 40 seconds right now. So I'll just kind of wait here and rest and get some water up until it hits 1 minute. So same thing goes for 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 7 minutes, etc. You guys are gonna kill it with this workout, and I will see you on Thursday.